Hey guys, it's Luna. And today I'm going to be filming a skincare routine. I try to be as diligent as I can with my skincare routine. So I'm just going to be showing you kind of what I do. This is a little more than I usually do. I'm just going to show you all the products I use, and yeah, let's get started. So I have dry skin. I don't have oily skin. I can't like wash my face and then not put moisturizer after, like it gets so dry. So at the end of the day, to take off my makeup, I use these Neutrogena Remover Cleansing Towelettes. I've used these since I started wearing makeup, and I like them. They're a little bit harsh sometimes, but they really do the trick in taking off your makeup. So yeah, they're great. I have a bunch of these. Oh, great. I don't wear face makeup, so I only really need it for my eye makeup. So to save money and to not waste a whole towelette, I always rip it in half and then store the other one back in the bag. So I just use this to take off my eye makeup. It's good with mascara, and it doesn't really bother my eyes at all, so one with makeup. I look dead on this side. So once you look like the naked mole rat from Kim Possible, I'm going to wash my face. Okay, to wash my face, I use the Neutrogena Fresh Foaming Cleanser. I didn't even realize I use so much Neutrogena. Sponsor me. I use it with this like face sponge. My mom got this in, I think she got it in Indonesia, so I don't know if you can get it here, but if I find one, I'll link it down below. So it's basically, it's like hard, and then you get it wet. It just becomes like a soft, gentle sponge. So I put the cleanser on there, and I just scrub away. I really like this sponge because I really feel clean after I use it, and it's not like a exfoliating sponge, so it doesn't hurt or make me red, but it really cleans. I love when it starts foaming. I feel so clean. Okay, so once I've done that for a little bit, I just wash that off with water. So once you wash it off with water, a trick I use to avoid redness, because I get really red on my cheeks, is instead of like rubbing with a towel, you just dab your face with a towel. Now we have a fresh, clean face. I don't do this every night, but 3 times a week I use this facial toner. This is by Kiehl's. I love Kiehl's, they're great. So I take one of these cotton rounds and I just put the toner on there. I just kind of go all over my face to make sure all my makeup is removed. Even though I don't wear face makeup, I get a lot of dirt on my face, so after I tone my face, I usually let my face rest for like 5 minutes, because I heard that toner kind of opens up your pores to clean them out, and you don't want to put cream on and then stuff your pores with cream. That sounds gross, but I heard that somewhere, so I let it sit for 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes is up. So next on my routine, I use this lip scrub by Bite, and it's really cute. It's pink and it's cherry flavored, and I only do this like maybe once every 2 weeks because I don't really have time to do this, but I thought I'd include it anyway. But you just rub it on your lips to exfoliate. My lips are so dry all the time. I use chapstick all the time, so this helps sometimes to like get dead skin off, and I don't really know what it actually does, but it's the weirdest feeling ever. I wish my lips smelled like this all the time. You just dry it off, and now I have luscious, smooth lips for no one to kiss. They don't know what they're missing. Okay, next in my routine is the Origins Original Skin Essence Lotion. It smells so good, but it's like almost like a water. It's like a really watery, like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like, oh, great. Anyway, now that you know what the texture is, it's just like a really watery, light kind of lotion. So I just kind of put that all over my face because it's super refreshing, and it's just kind of a good layer underneath my cream. Honestly, the more moisturized, the better, I feel like. A common myth that a lot of teenagers have is that if you have oily skin, you shouldn't put on moisturizer. But what you don't realize is the reason that your skin is oily is because your skin is dry, and to compensate, your body releases oils onto your face, and then you get acne. if you start moisturizing your face, then your body won't have to produce oils. Okay, so after the essence lotion, I usually choose between 2 different moisturizers. There's this Pond's face cream, which I've been using for a long time. It smells super good. It's really moisturizing. It's really heavy for a lot of people, but for my skin, it's perfect. When I feel like my skin's getting a little bit more dry, I use this Dr. Hoshka Rose Day Cream. And this stuff is so thick and so moisturizing, so you only need like very little of it. But you have to kind of warm it up in your hands or else it like won't go on. And I just kind of put that all over. I kind of try to go lightly so I don't pull my skin too much, but it smells so good. Oh, it feels so good. After I apply my moisturizer, I go in with this eye treatment. This is by Kiehl's. It's called the Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. And this has actually become really big on YouTube for some reason, but I've had this for a long time. I've been using it all the time. It's just a really nice moisturizer for teenagers because it's not like one of those anti-aging ones. I take a very little amount of it, like that. It's important not to rub and only to dab around your eye area because it's super sensitive, and if you rub, you're gonna get wrinkles. Then everything on my face is moisturized, except for my lips. Okay, so this is very rare, but occasionally I use this lip sleeping mask. So basically you put it on at night, and I guess you're supposed to wash it off in the morning, but it honestly works like a lip moisturizer. It reminds me of like Vaseline, but the real OG here is my Vaseline. I switch off between the rosy one and the, I think it's creme brulee or shea butter or something. If you have dry lips and you haven't tried this Vaseline, it's so good, but you have to get the lip one, like not the regular one. It's so good. That concludes our skincare routine. I feel so great on my face right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to link all the products I use down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to see some more and comment some ideas for what you would like to see from me. Because I'm really gonna try to get on that YouTube grind right now. Oh my god, I almost forgot the best part. Okay, to end off everything, just to refresh, I use this Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, which you've seen in a lot of my videos, but so good and so refreshing, and I just do that throughout the day too, just to add more moisture. Okay, so now that concludes my video. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye! That was a very soft, moisturized kiss from these lips.